Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how to use ChatGPT for SEO in 2023. Search engine optimization is a crucial aspect for online marketing, and ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model that can help you optimize your content for better search engine visibility. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are at ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can generate highly quality and content based on your keywords and queries. By leveraging its advanced AI capabilities, you can create content that is not only for like informative and engaging, but also optimized for search engines. So here are some examples which I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for SEO in 2023. The first example is like use ChatGPT to generate keywords rich titles and meta descriptions for content by inputting your primary keyword or key phrase into ChatGPT. So you can generate dozens of like potential titles and meta descriptions that are optimized for search engines. So let's get started. Let's take an example. Like if you want to search, let's just suppose you want to search keyword about related to uh, meditation, and you can just ask like give me some titles related to this, and I'm going with the inverted comma so ChatGPT could understand. Let's see what ChatGPT will provide me, and these are some titles that ChatGPT have provided me. But obviously it has like it didn't search from obviously from the web, and not, or maybe this is not latest titles which are available on SEO. So what you can do, you go to your Chrome web store and you are going to search the extension which is going to help you a lot finding keywords like AIPRM for SEO. You need to search this and you will end up over here. So what you are going to do, you are going to install this. Obviously I'm going to install this real quick, and once installed you will see what it works. And right now we are at ChatGPT again. We are going to click on continue, and you need to sign up for it, and you can see you will end up over here. This is how ChatGPT looks like right now. We have so many things over here, and as you can see, like human written 100% unique SEO optimized articles. If you want to go ahead and search along with that, you can even open this. You can see the comments, and you can see how many likes they have given. So this is very strong. This extension is very strong. You can get the help from here, but I'm going to show you related to keywords, right? So if we go next, and you can see we have our keyword strategy over here. If I click on this, you will see that we have our keyword strategy by AIPRM, and it's going to be updated, by the way. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna ask like with single word. So let's see what I can do, like with a single keyword. It will create you meta description, title, and obviously SEO, like if it's like updated or not. So if I write vegan brownie recipe, let's see what ChatGPT will provide me, and you will see how strong this extension is. You can see we have we like keyword cluster over here, ingredients. We have our keyword over here. We have our search intent, informational. Title would be this, and meta description over here. You get the idea, like how strong this extension is and how it will help you out. And you can see it's still going, and it will provide you multiple information out there. We have our titles also over here. We have our meta description also over here, and the keyword we know we like related to this, we got this. And we have a lot of things like related to peanut butter informational and peanut butter vegan brownie recipe. You can see these are some titles which are very popular, and this is how you can use ChatGPT for SEO in one way. This is one example. So our next example is also one of the extension I'm going to talk about, which is very useful in every single way, by the way. So this is called web chat GPT. And why this? Because let me show you. First of all, let me add this, and I'm going to show you. It will open up by itself, I guess. Yeah. So we are here, and at the bottom you can see we have our web access. So what is going on if we close this and we use this chat GPT normally? We all know that, and like if some people don't know, that ChatGPT have the knowledge till June 2021, and after that they don't have any access to anything, and they don't have any information to it. But if we allow it with with the extension of Google, you can see that it will help you out through Google, and it will provide you the result whatever Google have, like obviously at the present time. So basically going to like what it's going to do, like it will, if we search something over here, so it will give us five results of Google. It's going to feed us, and after that ChatGPT is then going to be able to work with those results and help us generate content from that, right? So let me give you an example so that you can understand that really quick. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT related to OpenAI, but I'm gonna tell that give us five results. We have our time over here, anytime, any region, default prompt. You can add new prompts if you want, and obviously enable this web access. So I'm gonna ask here, give me information about the recent news about OpenAI company. Let's see what it would do. So as you can see, as we expected, that ChatGPT will provide me the latest information even though it's not updated. We gave the access to Google and it provided me the information related to the query we have asked. And above you can see that it also provided me the links where it derived the information and provided you. So this is very good. We can ask for more results if we want. Right now we have five over here, as you can see. So this is what we have right now, and the latest news is GPT-4, which powers ChatGPT, obviously. So this is the news. But now we get the idea that obviously we are going to work on blog now. Let's say you are a content for like going to create a content for blog. So you are going to close this and you are going to ask ChatGPT to create an introduction. Obviously we are going to create a blog post, right? For a blog post for this topic. So let's see what ChatGPT would say about this one, about this information. Let's see what it what it provide me, and wait it out. And now we have our introduction for blog post for this topic, which is latest, and you can use this blog post. Obviously this is an introduction which we asked, and you can see I have already disabled this web chat gpt. Still it provides me, if you need information you can just enable this and you can ask this. Obviously it will provide you the even the link wherever the information has, and ChatGPT will provide you as a result you wanted, right? So after that you can just use that as your blog post, as you can just ask ChatGPT to create that. So you get the idea what's going on over here. So as you can see that by using ChatGPT for SEO in 2023, you can stay ahead of the competition and attract more organic traffic to your website if you are you have a website. So why not give it a try today? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this content helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and insights. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And bye bye, take care.